Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and I'm back with yet another female model drawing video. Now, before I start drawing today's girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Also, don't forget to give this video a quick like while doing so. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. And now that we've got that out of the way, let's start the video. So today I will be drawing Ellena Satryan, a very beautiful TV actress, model and singer from Armenia. She's got over 167,000 followers, as well as over 360 posts on Instagram. I've decided to draw her today since I really like her traditional Armenian look. She's got these beautiful large black eyes, as well as very thick lips which I think really stand out and make her look very feminine. Also, her long dark hair makes her look even more beautiful, so I'll try to make her hair as dark as I possibly can. And finally, her traditional Armenian beauty and exotic look happen to remind me of marshmallow flowers.